Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using Windows 11 and have noticed that your Bluetooth devices keep disconnecting, or when you go into Settings, Bluetooth and Devices it shows a driver error, you're not alone. This is actually a pretty common issue that can happen after Windows updates, driver conflicts, or even power management settings messing with your Bluetooth hardware. It's frustrating when your headphones, mouse, or keyboard keeps dropping out, and it feels like your devices just don't want to cooperate anymore. The good news is that most of the time, this isn't a permanent problem. Usually, Windows 11 is just having trouble communicating properly with the driver that controls your Bluetooth adapter. Sometimes it's an outdated driver, sometimes a corrupted driver, and sometimes it's the system trying to manage power and turning off the device unexpectedly. When the system flags a driver error in settings, it's basically giving you a heads up that it can't maintain a stable connection. Ignoring it can lead to random disconnections, lag, or even devices not showing up at all. The key thing to understand here is that keeping your drivers updated and making sure your devices are paired properly usually fixes the issue. Windows 11 has built-in troubleshooting tools that can detect and repair driver problems, but sometimes the fix requires a quick refresh or reinstall of the Bluetooth driver itself. Once everything is updated and configured correctly, your devices should stay connected consistently, and the driver error warning will disappear from settings. It's really about making sure Windows, your drivers, and your devices are all speaking the same language so your hardware works smoothly. So, if you're struggling with Bluetooth dropping or seeing driver errors in Windows 11, don't panic. This is a common situation, and with a little attention to drivers and device settings, your Bluetooth headphones, mouse, keyboard, and other devices should be working perfectly again. It's just a matter of making sure your system and drivers are in sync, which keeps your devices stable and connected.